This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an API key or local model, and a clear goal for the interaction. Once done, pick a specific task like summarization, content generation, or classification so you can tailor prompts. Make sure to prepare a prompt with essential context, 3 examples, and explicit constraints on length or format. You will see faster, useful outputs when you limit scope and provide desired structure up front rather than vague, open-ended requests that require extra follow-ups. You now design prompts using a role statement, clear instruction, relevant context, and 1 or 2 examples to show desired output. Once you have a draft, run quick tests and tweak model settings like temperature for creativity, max tokens for length, and stop sequences for clean endings. Make sure to log inputs and outputs so you can spot patterns where the model fails or hallucinates. Refine prompts and examples iteratively until results are reliably within your acceptance criteria. You finalize by integrating validation checks, fallback prompts, and handling rate limits before deployment. Once deployed, monitor accuracy, latency, and cost so you can tune thresholds and set alerts or usage caps. If outputs are off, simplify the prompt, lower temperature, or add targeted examples to guide behavior. Make sure to test edge cases and include a human review step for high-risk outputs. If problems persist, revert to a minimal working prompt and build complexity back in gradually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.